Okay, so my AC drainage was clogged and water all over this place. How do I fix it? I unplug this. Okay, and there's a water all full. The water was all full. So what I did is from outside, show you.
不是，我需要鞋吗？
不用。
Okay.
Okay, I bring this inside. Okay, the garden hose, and I let my wife stay outside, and we're on the phone. And she turned on the water when I tell her to turn on, and turn off when I tell her to turn off. So here, I put that garden hose here, and I push down really hard, and let my wife turn on the water. It flush all the dirt clog out, and then she shut off the water, and the water is gone. Okay, it's fixed. Hope helps.
Great.
Bye-bye.
All right.